Good morning, student of class 3. I am your computer teacher Sunjit sir. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to continue the revision of chapter number 3 beginning with MS Word 2016. Okay, chapter number 3 beginning with MS Word 2016. So let's start. Here you can see the syllabus of the third term examination. In my previous video I already have discussed about the syllabus. Okay, but all of you have to read each and every chapter very carefully for your exam. Okay, please read each and every chapter. Okay, now move on to the topic. Here you can see the content of this chapter. In my previous video I already have discussed up to selecting the text, type text in a Word file, and today I am going to start from cut copy paste text, saving a file, opening a file, good habits of for MS Word user. So these four topics I am going to discuss in this video. Okay, now move on to the topic. So first is select the text using a keyboard. So if you want to select the text by using a keyboard, you need to follow these steps. Okay, bring the cursor to the starting point of the text. You need to bring the cursor to the starting point of the text. Okay, then press the shift key with one finger and press the right arrow key with another finger to move till the point of the text to be selected. Okay, and you will see that the selected text has a different color now, and you can also use the shortcut key, which is Ctrl plus A. Okay, the keyboard shortcut keys to select the entire text are Ctrl plus A. Okay, and here you can see some shortcut keys to select the text. First is double click on a word. When you need to select a word, you can double click on the word. Okay, triple click anywhere in the paragraph, click in the beginning of the text, press shift key, and without releasing it, click at the end of the text. Next is click Ctrl plus delete before or after of any word, or you can call Ctrl plus backspace key before or after any word. Okay, so these are the shortcut keys. Next is cut copy paste of the text. Okay, so firstly select the text to cut or copy. First of all, you need to select the text which you want to cut or copy. Okay, then click on the edit, then cut icon to the cut the text. Here you can see the cut icon is here. Okay, you need to click on this icon, or you use the keyboard shortcut key to cut the text are Ctrl plus X. Okay, Ctrl plus X is the shortcut key, keyboard shortcut key to cut the text. Next is click on the edit, then click on the copy option. Here you can see the copy options is here. Okay, you need to, when you need to copy any text or anything, you need to click on this icon, and you can also use the keyboard shortcut key to copy the text, which is Ctrl plus C. Okay, now place the cursor where you want to paste the text. Click on the paste icon, and here you can see the paste icon is here. Okay, when you need to paste uh, any text or anything, you need to click on this icon to paste. Okay, and you can also use the alternative way, which is shortcut key Ctrl plus V. You can also use the right click on the mouse to see the shortcut menu given the option cut copy paste to the selected text. Okay, next is saving a file. This is very important. Okay, when you work on a computer, you need to know how to save a file. Okay, so these are the steps to be followed to save a file. First of all, you need to click on the file tab, then click on the save option. Okay, first of all, you need to click on the file tab, then click on the save option, click on the location where you want to save a file. A dialog box will be displayed. Type a file name. Here you can see the file name is here. Okay, you need to click on the file name option and write your file name as per your choice. Then click on the save option. Okay, here you can see the save button is here. You need to when you complete the typing of the name of the file, you need to click on the save option. Okay, next is Ctrl plus S are the shortcut key to save a file. You can also use the shortcut key to save a file is Ctrl plus S. Save as is the used when you want to save a copy or a file with a different name or at the different location. You can use also the shortcut key Ctrl Shift plus S. Okay, so this is the process to save a file. Okay, next is opening a file. How to open a file? First of all, you need to click on the file tab, then click on the open. Here you can see the image. First of all, you need to click on the open, then click file tab, then click on the a menu will be displayed. Okay, a menu will be displayed. Click on the recent if you want to open a recently saved file on a or click on the browse option to locate the file on the computer system. If you uh, want to open a recent saved file, then you can check the recent document list and you can open your file, or you can click the browse option to open to locate the file on your computer system. Then last step is click on the file name that you want to open. Your file will be open. Okay, so these are the main steps to be followed. These are the very simple steps. First of all, you need to click on the file tab, then click on the open. If you see the file in your recent document list, you can choose the file from there, or you can browse use the browse option to locate your file on the computer system. Okay, then you need to click on the file name. Your file will be open. Next is good habits for MS Word user. Okay, there are some points you must always remember when you work in MS Word. First is never delete others files. Okay, so always remember that when you work on the computer, never delete others files. Do not open unknown files. If you open them by mistakenly, close them without making any changes. Okay, so all of you need to know that don't open unknown files. Okay, next is do not edit someone files without their permission. Please don't do this. Okay, so you need to uh, work your own file only on the computer. Okay, next is save your file at a regular intervals. You can press Ctrl S to save your file. Okay, so when you need to save your file, you can use the Ctrl S and your file will be saved. But you need to save your file at regular intervals. Next is if you make a mistakes and your text gets deleted, then press the Ctrl Z immediately to recover the deleted text. That means we use the Ctrl Z command to cancel the recent work. Okay, so if you made a mistakes, you can press the Ctrl Z immediately and your work will be recovered. Okay, so these are the some basic points you must always remember. Okay, when you work on the MS Word 2016. So I hope that all of you understand today's topic, but all of you need to read this chapter very carefully. Okay, for your examination. So today I am ending my discussion here. In my next video I will start revision another chapter. Okay, so till then, take care, goodbye and thank you.